Hello, today I will show you how to stack raw star images in Adobe Photoshop. Open Photoshop. Click on File, select Scripts option. Now click on Load Files with Stack. A dialog box will pop up. Select Browse it. Select all your raw images and click Open. It'll take some time to select images. After images are selected, click on OK. Now it'll take some time to import images. I'll reset my workspace so that I can see Layers panel. Now select all images. Click on Normal option from Layers panel and select Lighten so that we can merge up all the images. As you can see, we have now merged these images and we get a fine star trail. You can see this image fuzzy because I took this during cloudy weather. Now, right-click and select Merge Layers to convert all images into a single one. Now, if you want, you can enhance this image. To do this, select the image. Press Ctrl+L to level the colors. You can level colors individually. Select red from input level and do as I'm doing. Similarly, do this for green and blue until you get enhanced image as per your need. After this, click OK. Here we get the perfect star trail. Now, to save this, press Ctrl+S. Rename your image and select JPEG format and press Save. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share.